Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I want to show you guys a video about Printful Alternatives. So I know sometimes you may see that certain items in your store are sold out. So today I want to show you this quick tip to use the Printful Alternatives option so that you don't run into issues where customers are buying products that are sold out and you have to refund, delay, or reach out to them to change the actual product type. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time that I release a new video. I do upload Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, and I do have a podcast called Coins and Connections Podcast that you can listen to every Friday when we are in season. So I'm going to go over to Printful, and this is my Printful dashboard right now. So I'm going to go over to stores, and then the store in particular that I want to focus on is my Shopify store. So you can actually see right now it says that I have 21 items out of stock. So I want to just go over to view store. So with that, here you'll see where it says out of stock, right? So I'm going to go ahead over to out of stock. And then there's this button that tells you right here, it says at least one of your sink items is out of stock at our suppliers. We may have alternatives for your products. Browse our alternative tool. If an order is placed with an out of stock product that has no alternative set up, it will take a longer to process it, between 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and click alternatives. Now note that this is not an end all be all solution. You still will have some products that don't have alternatives that can match up. So there's still a certain issue where even if those products may still be out. So right now it's showing the t-shirt, the fine jersey unisex by American Apparel, right? And I chose my alternative to the gliding. Now note that with this style, these are the colors that they have. And with the gliding gilded shirt, they don't have these colors, okay? So that can become an issue if I have those shirts, if I have those shirt colors available. Same issue here, but you do have an option to add more than one alternatives, which I did here. Let's see if I have one that I did not change yet. Okay, here. So this is what it looks like when you have no alternative set yet. It'll say set alternative. So I am going to look for an alternative for the unisex heavy blend crew neck shirt. So I'll hit set alternative. And what happens is it'll choose the best alternative for me. And it looks like this one doesn't have any. So that's kind of that happens. So I'm going to go down and see if I can find another one on page 2. If not, I'll just go. Okay, so let's see if they have any ladies tri-blend alternatives. Okay, so it says choose the best alternative, and they only have one, and it only has one missing color. So I'll click on that, and apparently I have that color in shirt gray tri-blend. So this is the alternative model, and here I can choose alternative colors. So I can choose tri oatmeal, tri black, but because it's a gray shirt, I don't want to really choose an alternative because it wouldn't go right. If someone orders a gray shirt, I want them to receive a gray shirt. So again, this is another option where this just won't work out. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go over here so you can see how it actually works. So I'm going to hit change, right? So here we're looking for an alternative for the American Apparel shirt. So here is one. The color is black. And you choose the unisex soft style, and then you choose the color black. So that lines up nicely. So let's see. I think I can choose the soft style for this one too, and it might have a heather gray. So it has a sports gray. So still same kind of shirt. Now for this, I can look. I know Bella Canvas has a cranberry shirt, so I'll choose that for my alternative, and then I'll choose the red. Their red is like a cranberry, and then I can keep going. So also here, what happens is it tells you the price difference. Okay, it tells you if it's more or if it's less. So a lot of these are less than what I actually, have. So, and then you'll just go ahead and hit set alternatives. So depending on how many stores you have on your Printful, this is a good thing to go through And like I said, it basically tells you when you have products out of stock on that dashboard. So that is something that you should always be paying attention to. Again, my Etsy one says 80 items out of stock. This is something that I need to always check at least once a month to make sure if I need to make any alternatives for any stores to change some things. All right. So this is your way to check out the Printful Alternatives, set up your store so you don't run into an issue where a product is out of stock and you have angry customers, or you have to wait too long, cancel orders, refund orders, or even reach out to them to change their product color or actual alternative for a product manually. So I hope this video helped you guys to understand how you can stay ahead in the customer service realm of your business and just staying ahead of what you have in stock and ready and available for your customers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I love you more than I love this vid. Peace.